Today I'm going to teach you about the subject, the basic how to solve finance question. This subject is in level like a master degree or PhD, but I show you the basic concept. Although you're in university or bachelor degree, you can solve this question as well. Okay, let's see. This is the question about finance. Wow, this one is one of my favorite subjects that I learned in master degree here in Sydney. But I would like to help you to analyze the question. Tips. Question 1. This one is finance. Okay. First, I tell you that an investor wishes to accumulate $950,000 at the end of 4.5 years. How much does she have to deposit now if the interest rate is 12% per annum, compound monthly? First, very tricky. Compound monthly. That means you're going to get the money every month of the year. And one thing you have to know that in 1 year, how many months? We have 12 months, okay? And when you see the question like this, at least you should read the questions twice. First, you should know that they ask you, how much does she have to deposit now? If they say now, that means they want you to find PV, present value. I'm going to write down all of the formula for you. And at the end, 4.5 years, at the end, that means in the future, money in the future. So 950,000 is future value. That means the money that you're going to receive in 4.5 years in the future. But what you're going to deposit now, PV, that's what you want to find. And the interest rate is 12% per annum. Per annum means per year. If it's 12% per year, that means every month. 1 year have 12 months. So it is 1% per month. Is that correct? Okay. Let's see the next step. How I'm going to write down your formula again. Okay. Let's see what we know from here. We know NPV. We know future value. You know that future value is $950,000. And then we want to find PV, present value. And we know that interest rate or R is equal 12% per annum. Annum means per year. Or 12% per annum, you divide it by 12. So is it 1% per month? But you should know that 1% is 0.01. Be careful because a lot of students say 1% is 0.1. Yeah. And what else do you need? You need time. Tricky as well. Time is 4.5 years. But they tell you, compound monthly. Well, state compound monthly. That means every month, so you have to change 3 times 2 months. 4.5 multiplied with 12 is 54 months. Okay, let's see. I show you the formula very quick because I need to go to my uni soon, but I would like to help you with my video first. At least you're going to pass your exam. Okay, let's see. Well, okay. Look at the formula carefully. Future value equal present value multiply with 1 plus r the power t. Alright, important thing that you have to know. First, you have to understand that FV comes from future value. PV, present value. But LR comes from interest rate. T is time. It's quite tricky interest rate. It's up to what they're going to ask you. If they're going to ask you per annum, yeah, you use interest rate per annum or per year. If they ask you monthly, you have to divide it and make it per month. And time as well, if they ask you per year, use that year. But if they ask you monthly, you have to change year to month. Just multiply it with 12. Actually, it's very straightforward, nothing hard. Okay. So, FV equal PV multiply with 1 plus RT. What I want to do, I want to find PV. I'll move this term to another side of the equation and switch it very quick in my brain. Okay. So, PV equals FV. Put the term to another side. For multiply, turn to be divided. 1 plus r to power t. Okay, now you just substitute what we have. We know that FV equal 950,000. 1 plus r. R per month is 1% per month or 0.01. Tricky as well. R here you have to make it to be decimal. Okay? 0.01 and all of them the power with 4.5 years that equal 54 months. 54 here. What you do very easy. You just use your calculator. Oops. 1 to power 54. And then when I calculate with calculator, yeah, just type in calculator, type down this number, divide it with 1.01 to power 54. I'm going to teach you how to use calculator, like a scientific calculator, properly next time. Yeah, but now I just use it and I know the value is, wow, 555,000 and 97.69 dollars. And this is your answer. Whoops, your answer here. Alright. Let's see again in conclusion. First, what we're going to do, we try to see analyze the question. Put it with the formula. You have to understand that, oh, they ask you PV. They ask you the money that deposit now. That means present value. And then you know the formula. Future value is equal PV multiplied with 1 plus R. The power T. Substitute all the number. And then you find the answer. That's quite easy, straightforward. But the thing that's tricky, interest rate and time. If they ask you month, you have to make it like month. If they ask you per day, well, if they ask you per day from 12% per annum, you have to divide it with how many days in the year? 365, yes. And then time per year, you multiply with 365, so it comes up to day. Alright, I think I'm going to finish that video. If you have any question, feel free to leave comment and ask me, and enjoy the rest of your day. สวัสดีค่ะ บาย